This is the ZWILLING coffee maker that I bought last November. I really like it. I was using another product with the word K. I'm sure you know what that is. It didn't get the water hot enough. I like this product because it's very attractive and it allows you to either purchase this reusable filter by ZWILLING, which is what I recommend, or you can buy something else. I bought 3 different ones and that one fit the best, and it was also ZWILLING. For demonstration purposes, you can turn it on. I can set it for 1 cup of coffee. It only takes 1 or 2 minutes. There's no coffee in it at the moment, but I'm just trying to show you what it looks like when it's ready. The unique feature about it is it has the mode automatically of a pour coffee maker, where it allows the grains to steep before allowing it to go into the pot. It allows a little bit in the first minute, and then it lets the rest of the water go through. I forgot, it has a automated self-cleaning alarm or notice when it needs to be self-cleaned, and there is an option on it in the instructions to self-clean, and you don't have to put any chemicals in it. You just run it on the self-clean, and that's the end. My water probably looks a little bit dirty because inside of the coffee pot, I did not rinse it out. You don't have to rinse it out, but you do see the delay. This was for 12 ounces. I think the price of it now is $200. I got it for $150 last October or so. It was on sale. I sure like it better than those Carafe something coffee makers. I'd recommend the product.
This is the ZWILLING Enfinigy drip coffee maker. Has a blooming function. Plastic, glass. Plastic, glass. You can see here, time. It runs on a 24-hour clock, as I recall. I'm not going to change it now, but that's what it runs on. This is, you can choose this is cleaning, okay? This is the hardness of your water, and you can change from level 1, and that has to do with the descaling. It will warn you to descale. The harder your water is, the more rapidly, so it's just a reminder to descale more frequently. Let's see. As you go through these, you have the option to bloom, and if you bloom, you choose the number of cups you want. It is not that you have a full reservoir and it dispenses the number of cups you're planning. You must fill the carafe to the level that you want, the number of cups, put it in here. Only with blooming do you set the number of cups, because it times the blooming process in order to make it clear to the machine how long it needs to do the blooming. But it will dispense all the water that is in the reservoir. So you can say bloom 3 cups, but if there's 10 cups in here, it's going to utilize all 10 cups in making the coffee. So you really have to measure what you put into the reservoir here, the water reservoir from the carafe. It is a handsome coffee maker. It has this aroma stick that comes down in. I don't know exactly how that's supposed to work, but I know it's rated well in its making of coffee. It has a stainless for the drip function here, a stainless release point. It has an auto turn-off valve down there. You can see as you press it in, it turns it. If you remove the carafe like this, the coffee will stop pouring. It's a handsome coffee maker. There's nothing all that sophisticated about it. It has a timer. It's beautiful. It isn't really all that big. It's actually quite a small one. It's rated well by the Coffee Institute. Whatever it is that rates coffee makers gives us its highest level. And it does seem to be a reputable rating thing. It's very attractive. I think that's about all I can say about it.